Hi there, my name is Erlene Henry, Chief Executive Officer of Diversified Cleaning Services, LLC. Diversified Cleaning Services, LLC is your local, trusted, A+ BBB accredited janitorial service provider, delivering professionalism and quality on every project, specializing in commercial and residential cleaning, while offering a host of other services. Our services range from janitorial to biohazard cleanups to even vehicle detailing. If it can be clean, we can clean it. We understand that the thought of cleaning can be overwhelming or even a tedious task. From who will you get to clean, to how much will your cleaning cost, or you may even be wondering if you will get a thorough cleaning. Our differentiators include competitive pricing. We're open 24 hours. We have a 1.5 to 1 hour emergency response time. And we also have a 3-step system that will help implement and ensure customer satisfaction. Are you ready for the best part? Diversified Cleaning Services is rated E for everyone. Again, my name is Erlene Henry, Chief Executive Officer of Diversified Cleaning Services, LLC. I can be reached at 240-498-2259. How can we help you? Save time, save money, increase productivity, rejuvenate, restore, and relax. Looking forward to meeting your expectations. Thank you.